So we're gonna make a clay stamp. And the easiest way to do that, you get a chunk of clay, maybe 1 inch by 1 inch. You're going to tear it maybe in half. You're going to, with styrofoam, it's just regular styrofoam, you're going to sign your initials forward, just like normal. So my initials are M-A-W. You want to bear down really hard. So you want to go over it a few times, make sure you bear down really good. And then maybe you want to make it a little unique so that your stamp doesn't look like everybody else's stamp. So I'm going to put a heart around it. And again, bear down. So you might have to go over it a few times or several times. All right, so then with your 2 balls of clay, one you're going to ball up into a nice little ball. You want to pick a smooth side. So you don't want sides that have little cracks or bumps. You want a nice smooth side. So you're going to land it right there. You're going to smack it down, pull it off, so then it leaves an impression. So then what you're going to do is you're going to score, and you can score with a scoring tool or a pencil, and you're going to scratch. So here's the scoring. You want to make sure not to touch this side at all, because that's the side that's still soft. This side you can roll, and all it is just your handle. So you can make it as cute as you want, or it really doesn't have a function other than just for your hands to hold on to. So, but if you want to make like a candy corn out of it, or a tooth, or whatever, shark's tooth, it really is just serving as the handle. So you're going to score this side as well. So this is called scoring. So once you've scored it several times and you have both sides scored, you're going to add slip. So I've used a white slip. This is just so that I can see where I've put my slip. So I only slip one side. Okay, be kind of generous. And then you're going to take it and push and maybe do a little twist. Again, make sure don't touch this side, but you're going to twist and then kind of smooth this very carefully all the way around so that it joins. And again, make sure you're not compromising the front of your stamp. So again, I'm just being very careful with it. But you just want to make sure that this stays and does not come away from it. Okay, it could even look like a Hershey's Kiss or an elf hat, whatever. I'm gonna make a little elf hat or a witch's hat. I don't care. It doesn't matter. So again, but this is how you would make a clay stamp. So then what this does, the easy part about this is that you write it forwards. When you stamp it, it comes out backwards, so that when you stamp your clay work, it comes out forward like it's supposed to. And that's how you do that.